back. We got the Litecoin. We got some action actually right now in the market. Yesterday I was still optimistic on the crypto market. I saw some signs, some positive signs, but that all changed. Today we got very strong, actually strong signs that were going downwards. We saw the ripple earlier. The Bitcoin had not broken yet the last line of resort, but it's about to. And the Litecoin is in an interesting situation in itself, because yesterday I was a little bit optimistic because I saw price come back up as if it was going to try to challenge that neckline again, as it did before. I mean, it failed, right? It failed miserably in the previous couple of attempts we had here. But I thought maybe yesterday was going to be the third attempt and it might be successful. Anyway, that's out of the window, right? We can see that price is starting to break downwards. And that's pretty much the genuine situation that's presented. I mean, after price broke below the neckline, let's start from the beginning, right? We had a very nice head and shoulders pattern here. Very, very nice, because it was so symmetrical with a big head. And it broke, but it made it only to the minimal projection level, the 1.236, right? The 1.236 of the head was right here. It was actually quite amazing to see the 4 consecutive spikes here that definitely put a stamp on the validity of that key level. Later on we saw that that turnaround, right? That that reversal, pretty intense move, single day move that made it back below the neckline. That was very suspicious at the beginning. I thought that might be this might be actually just an excess noise, and price would actually base itself above that neckline eventually, but that was not the case. Actually, it based itself below the neckline. So at that point, we became concerned. I mean, we were already out. We had a nice profit all the way to 1.236, and as price was failing to break through, that was so obvious, I got out. But then we wanted to come back in, and we were kind of relying on that neckline to hold. Then obviously when it didn't, then I thought that we might be looking at some serious downside move, and not just like a technical temporary downside correction, but basically the up move, right? The whole head and shoulders pattern that actually broke the very minimal move. I think that was actually the upside technical correction, right? That might be actually that might have been the bullish trap, and it looks like price is going to go to the downside right now, probably straight to the tip of the head again, right? That's pretty much the next imminent support level, the next imminent key level to rely on. 22.35 roughly. That's pretty much where the tip of the head was trading last time. So we'll see how that goes. I'll follow up. I'll keep you posted as always. In the meantime, guys, have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you next time.